Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English Version Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 26. The length of a book is 25 centimeter and breadth is 18 centimeter. So length is 25 centimeter. And breadth is 18 centimeter. The number of page of the book is 200 and thickness of each page is 0.1 millimeter. Find the volume. So we have to find the volume. To find the volume we need breadth, length and width or height. That is what this says here, thickness. Thickness. So we have to find the thickness first. We know a book have many leaves and each leaf has 2 pages. So one leaf of a book has 2 pages. Therefore, we can say 2 pages, 1 leaf. So there are 200 pages. 200 pages make 100 leaves. Now thickness of each leaf thickness of one leaf equals to 0.1 millimeter equals to 0.1 divided by, we know the in metric system, millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, then meter. So from millimeter, if we convert to centimeter, we have to divide by 10. So 0.1 millimeter means 0.1 divided by 10. 0.1 divided by 10 centimeter equals to, so 0.1 divided by 10 means the decimal point will move towards left another digit. So it will be 0.01 centimeter. Therefore, thickness of the book means thickness of 100 leaves equals to 0.01 multiplied by 100 centimeter equals to, it will be 1 centimeter. Therefore, now we got thickness, we got length, we got breadth. Therefore, volume of the book equals to 25 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 1 all centimeter. So it is cubic centimeter equals to 18 into 25 means 450 cubic centimeter. The answer is, find the volume. So answer is 450 cubic centimeter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.